All right, my first graders. So before we take our quiz, I want to go over our extra practice we did the other day. Okay, so you watched the video. I did the example for you, right? We looked at the time. When the hour hand is pointing at the 1, we say it's 1 o'clock. And there we have our minute hand pointing to the 12 for o'clock. So I dragged my paperclip over to pick 1 o'clock. Let's check this one out. What time is it? Well, here we had our hour hand. It's in between the 2 and the 3. So what time does that make it? It went halfway past the 2, right? Didn't get to the 3 yet. So we say 2:30 or 2:30. So remember when we count around 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 2:30. So we should have picked this one, 2:30. Hey, on here, look at the hour hand, right? That short hand, that's what we look at first. It's halfway between the 9 and the 10. What time is it then? It's halfway past the 9. So when we say 9:30 or 9:30, there's 9:30 right there. Hey, when we read this clock, look at the hour hand. Oh, halfway past the 7. Didn't get to 8 yet. 7:30 or 7:30, right? When we count around 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 7:30. How about this one? Oh, pointing right to the 3. When it points right to the 3, we say it's 3 o'clock. And there's our minute hand right on the 12. It's like no minutes. We're starting all over again. 3 o'clock. Hey, how about this one? Look at our hour hand pointing right at the 5. When it points right at the 5, when the hour hand points right at a number, we say it's o'clock. So this is 5 o'clock. Hey, look, there's o'clock right at the 12. Do you see one that says 5 o'clock? Yep, we should have picked this one. 5 o'clock. All right. How about this one? Halfway between the 2 and the 3. Right? So let's see. What number did it go halfway past? Went halfway past the 2. So instead of saying 2:30, we can say 2:30. That minute hand down at the 6. 2:30. All right. Now, the other activity that you did yesterday that I want to review with you before you take your quiz is you read the clocks, right? You had to add your minute hand to our clocks. So look at this one. The hour hand is pointing right at the 3. The clock is supposed to say 3 o'clock. Where does the minute hand go for 3 o'clock? Yeah, right here. We grab it. It should point at the 12. 3 o'clock. Look at this one. Ooh, what time should it say? It should say 4:30. What minute hand do we use for 4:30? Does it point up at the 12 or down at the 6 for 30 minutes? Down at the 6. So we want this one. Can I drag it over? Oh, there we go. Down at the 6 for 4:30, right? The 6 shows that 30 minutes have gone by. Hey, look at this one. 9:30. Oh, again, right? Halfway past the 9. What one do we use? Yeah, we point down at the 6. I'm going to grab the arrow that's pointing down. There we go. All right, last one. 7 o'clock. Which arrow do I need? Where does the minute hand point for o'clock? Yeah, the green one. Up here at the 12. O'clock always goes to the top. All right, my first graders, that was your review for your quiz. So next you're going to take your quiz. It's going to look just like what I showed